Hi guys, it's Ep.8 here. Welcome back to Hex.Inc. Episode 8 of the series, and I'm gonna do some more stuff with the ship. Starting with over here, I'm gonna do some shuffleboards. So if I do it, I'm gonna add one of these right here. Then, I'm gonna come all the way over here, just to go down. And of course, I changed the thing. I changed what little things are here. And yeah, a bit like that. And I'm just gonna, I might add one of these, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it, so yeah. Then again, I could put it in the hallway, but that makes no sense. And plus, you can see that I'm literally not moving. That's because I have no fuel, as you probably saw already. So yeah. Unless I am, I don't know. It looks like I'm still moving though. Yeah, it's still moving. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the top here and add a hot tub. Then again, I couldn't have added a pool, but I didn't think of it. So yeah. So yeah, that's why I didn't add a pool and everything. Probably didn't add circle hot tubs, if you know. I got square on the bottom. And I'm just gonna go over with this. Then once I'm done with that, we're gonna delete that right there. And get money back. There we go. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do with a small radio, or however you see it. And of course, I changed the batteries. So yeah. And I'm gonna add one of these. But wait. Of course, I got money now. More. And I'm gonna add one of these. If I, of course, I'm gonna have to do that, and then there we go, there it is. You might be asking, why it's larger than the smokestacks. I just wanted to make it big to begin with. Of course, there's different prices for these. I just went with a large, just so I could do it. And well, then it looks like this now. 4 hot tubs, no pool. Didn't add it at least. And it didn't come through here. I don't know what a theater is, which was right here loading in. But we got hamburgers right here, which does look pretty cool. I must admit. Then we got the taco place here. And if we come out here, we got the bowling alley. And if we can continue going back, we got shuffleboard here. And we got like an entire back area for it anyway. And I might have to request a hug for it now. So I have to hit manage. You'll see a bullet room. Then request a hug. Then over here. Then I'm gonna hit dock. Then I'm gonna hit manage to go to supplies. Then do all this. And now you can see everything's good again. And then I'm gonna hit undock. Then hit manage again. And hit room. Then hit activate. Yeah, that's what I do now. And it's like that. And then here we are at the leaving this. Now it should look like this, but don't know why it doesn't. Then I'm gonna be leaving here. Then I should just do this. And there we go, we get to see everything now. I raised the graphics just so we can see now. Or I can see better and you guys can see it better. Then I'm gonna go to front of the shaft, which is the bow. Then I think I'm gonna do some stuff there. A little bit more things over here. So now we're here. So I'm just gonna do this. And just gonna get a type of bench over here. Just because I just want to do this so the guests can sit up there in front over here. Just so they don't get like tired and everything. Then that bench is done. I'm just gonna do this one since it looks cooler. But I'm gonna do it over here at the door. Just so it'll look nice. Then we did that. And we basically did this whole shaft throughout the series, which I think it's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna add more doors over here. If I could right now, which I can do. Which if it lets me put the door here, I will love it. Right about now. Which I gotta do the thing I always do. Wait a couple seconds, then build. Which usually works. Usually. Which I'm probably gonna do it from here. Which I would do stuff right now, but you know, I can't. Just wanna at the doors. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do an F3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Now, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.